Hi everyone, I hope everybody is doing great and staying safe at their places. So in this video I am sharing the ways to join Forge after graduation or post grad. So first one is the direct entry. Direct entry and indirect में difference क्या है? डायरेक्ट में आपको कोई एग्ज़ाम नहीं लिखना है, आपको डायरेक्टली आपके परसेंटेजेस के बेसिस पे आपको शॉर्टलिस्ट किया जाता है फॉर SSB एंड फॉर indirect entries you have to write examination like AFCAT or CDS, and if you clear the cutoff then you'll be getting the so-called SSB letter. So for army, what are the ways? So for army we have first is the for those students who are in BTech, आपके लिए है SSC technical entry for both male and female, US entry for both for only for males if they are in pre-final year or final year. Okay, the US entry scheme is there. Then university entry scheme you can say. Then you have TGC entry, which is only for male candidates. You can join Forge through after completing your BTech. Then you have NCC special entry for those students who are NCCC certificate holder. You have NCC entry special entry scheme, and then you have the JAG entry for those who have done their LLBs. So you can join army in these ways and serve the nation. We also have AFMC entry, but you have to write NEET examination, and I'll make separate videos on that because I do not have any idea about the same. But yes, you can join Forge as a medical officer as well. Then for Navy, the direct entries that we have is university entry scheme. Then you have SSC technical entry, which is both for males and females, and for university entry scheme also. In army we only have for males, but for Navy it is for both male and females. In Indian Air Force, you should have NCC C certificate holder, and there's an NCC special entry for Indian Air Force. Apart from all this, there is a indirect entry for which you have to write examination, and those examinations are CDS entry, which allows you that you can join Army, Navy, Air Force, any of the three armed forces if you clear CDS examination, and you will be joining as per your choice. Then you have AFCAT entry, which is for grad and post grad. Even the PG students can apply, can write this examination. PG students will be joining the meteorological department of Indian Air Force. The grad ones, the graduation ones, they will be joining the ground duty, flying branch, or the technical not technical entries also can join. Like BTech people can also apply for AFCAT and they can join the technical branch of Indian Air Force. So these are the indirect entries. Apart from that, if you are a serving personnel and आप कहीं फौज में job कर रहे हैं, you are not job, I would say you are serving the nation, and you are a soldier, you can apply for ACC entry, which is for army, and you can write the exam and you can clear it and you can go for SSB. So Forge gives you an opportunity that you can convert yourself from a soldier to an officer. If you have the potential to do so, please join. So these were the entire entries for Army, Navy, Air Force, and one more most important thing I forgot to inform you. We have the 4th Armed Forces of India, which is Indian Coast Guard, which most of the people are not aware. That's why I'm taking it separately. So for Indian Coast Guard, we have every 6 months we get assistant commandant general duty, or there are a lot of options which is present for to join as an assistant commandant in Indian Coast Guard. So this forms usually comes in June or in November, and you have 2 phases in here in Indian Coast Guard. One is PSB and FSB. So recently students are going for PSB because in June they filled the form. In July itself, like first from 4th till 14th of July they filled the form, and now they are going for PSBs. So yes, that is a direct entry, and this is only for BTech people. So yeah, you're supposed to be the BTech holder, and some for the CPL as well. if you have CPL license, you can apply for Indian Coast Guard. Please go check joinindianarmy.nic.in, join Indian Navy, join Indian Air Force, and join Indian Coast Guard for more information. I hope this video helps you. God bless you all. Stay safe and keep working on your dreams, because it's going to happen and you are going to make it happen. God bless you all.